everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're going to talk about visualizing division with arrays.
Division via array method.
Yeah, so basically we're going to talk about arrays method.
And it's part 4.
Yeah. Okay, so division by array method. Which expressions could represent the array shown below? So what do you think? Which going to be the answer?
Choose 2 answers.
Yeah, it could be 2 answers.
I think it'll be these 2.
These 2? Yep.
Yeah, because I know that I counted by 5. I counted here first, and then it was 5, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 times 5 equals 30. Now, so then the total number is 30, so you put at the front for division.
And do you remember what is array, Lina? What is
it? It's like this.
Rows and?
Like rows and columns.
Yeah. Right. It's the same like there. The blocks are there.
But if I take this thing out, will that be an array?
No.
Yeah. Because it has to be like this.
It's the same amount in the column or rows.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. You remember that. Okay, let's go to the next one. So there are 20 balls split into groups of 2. So which expression will tell us how many groups of people or balls there are? Yeah, that people is supposed to be balls. Since we have a ball, so we can talk about the ball. Okay. So 20 divided by 2 or 2 divided by 10 or 10 divided by 20. Which one is the right answer? Well,
I know that 10 times 2 equals 20.
How you got that?
Oh, it's just 10 table. 10
yeah, 20. But how you got 10?
So
10
this
and 2, 20 and 2.
So this is 10,
20.
And then this is 2, and it equals 20.
Yeah.
So then
groups of balls.
Yeah. So the total is 20. So it should be that one.
Yeah. So those 2 are the wrong division sentence, and that is
the top one.
Right. Yes. Good. Let's see if you're right. Correcto. Go to the next one. So division by array method continue. Which image could represent 10 divided by 2? Choose one answer. So we have a diagram now. Which one you think is the right answer?
I think it's the second one, because there's this one has 6 on the top, in the rows, and then it should be more than 10. Right?
Yeah. So why you think of 10, Lina?
Oh, because the total number should be 10, because the first number is 10, so that's the total number.
Yeah, so you focus on 10, right?
Yeah, and then I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, so then this is 5 and 5.
And group is divided by group.
Yeah, and that's 2. There's 2 rows.
Let's go to the next one. You're right.
I went a little bit too fast.
Yeah. So, continue. Which expressions could represent the array shown below? So, choose 2 answers. So now we have an array here. So which one you think it's the right answer?
This one and then this one.
And why you think so?
I think so because I know that 6 times 8 equals 48.
Yeah, so you gone with the column and then rows, right? And then if you multiply then 6 times 8,
it'll equal 48.
Yeah, can you do it then?
So if this was, so this is an 8, this side is a 6. If you do 8 times 6, that'll equal 48. That makes it. I just gotta do that. And then if you do 6 times 8, it'll also equal 48.
So you can switch the group or each group, right? Either 6 or 8. It doesn't affect the...
Except you cannot switch the total number.
Yeah. Good. Let's see if you're right.
Just once.
Yeah. Good job. Next. So there are 8 balls in a row. There are 32 total balls. Which expression will tell us how many rows of balls there are? So choose one answer. So what do you think? Which which one is the right answer. Are you counting?
Oh,
So
it's
there is
it's the
4.
first one.
Yeah, so can you write it 4 here?
I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 4
4,
rows, yeah,
8.
and 8 columns. And
And
4
then-
times 8 is,
4 times 8 is 32.
or 8 times 4.
Is 32.
So which is the right answer?
I said the first one.
Good.
So this one.
Yeah, you got it.
Let's see if I'm right.
Mm-hmm.
This one's
Correcto. Great. Next one. Which image could represent 20 divided by 4? Yeah, so you have to
The
find
first
the 21.
one.
First one. Oh, you're so super
Yes.
fast.
Do
How?
you know how I know?
Yeah.
Because I know that it's the I knew the second number was the rows. So I checked this one. This is 5.
Mhm.
This is
Also
5,
5.
and that's 4.
Yeah, and then total number is there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 20.
Yeah, so they are more than 20. Yeah, they are more than 27. Yeah, total number. Well, how much is there? Can you count? It's more than that.
No, it's
right?
this one. It's
Let's
this
see.
one. Because this 4 times 6 equals. Oh.
You got
I'm
confused,
confused,
and you
okay.
confused me too.
Yeah, I just got confused. Yeah.
So total number is 20. So that
Yeah,
is
look,
16.
4, 8, 12,
Oopsie.
16, 20. Yeah.
Nina, what you got it?
4, 8, 12.
Yeah. So total number is 20, and this is 5. 5. This is 5,
Oh.
and that's 4. Can you do it, please, with the pen?
Oh, yeah. 5
Okay, go
times
ahead.
4 equals 20.
Yeah.
It's like this
So
is
this is
4.
4, and that's
This is
5.
5. And then 5 times 4 equals 20.
Yeah.
And then it's the opposite.
So the answer is this one.
I got confused on that one.
And I didn't pay attention.
Yeah.
So correct. Next. Okay, continue. Which expression could represent the array shown below? Choose 2 answers. So please focus. 3, 2, 5,
Ooh.
3. And why you think that?
Because 5 times 3 equals 15.
And how you know that?
Because this is 3, then this is 5.
Yeah, so 5 times 3.
So then 5, and then 3.
Okay, see you guys next time. Take
Bye.
care. Bye.